from the bottom. There we go. Watch out. All right, going up now, looking for the survey markers. Got to clear this water bar too. All right, we found it. I have a paperweight I bought from the ATC of one of these. Field and Stream, doing her thing to take care of the trail. Love it. Whew. I might need you to actually come and hold the tree now. Reporting this guy to the Sawyer team. Yeah, this brook almost never runs. We had a lot of rain. This is the one right before the Paradise Lane Trail. Paradise Lane's that way. We'll check out the campsite on the way back. Heading up to Bear. All right, this is the official Paradise Lane Trail. That's just the side trail back there. So pretty.
Yeah.
This punchin's in good shape. Let's see if it sags. Remember Massachusetts? Yep. Ooh, this one's nice. It's a good punchin right there. All right. I think it was 2015. We did this the first time and finished Connecticut. All right, the green tunnel. This in June is beautiful. All of these laurels are completely in bloom, white and pink. We're in the last 0.8 up to the summit, so it's going to be rocky and open up to some great views. I'm sure I've showed it a few times before. Gonna show it again. Yeah, this is definitely like New Hampshire. And that's why we're here. Ridgerunning this section. This is usually an amazing view. You can see all the way to Lion's Head. Right now, we're in the clouds. We'll see if the summit's a little higher above the clouds. Otherwise, this is what we're getting. Okay, so now you can see Round Mountain. And yeah, I think that's Round. That's Gridley. Brace is back there. That's the Tri-State Trail. But we're pretty socked in here. All right, Field and Stream is coming around the corner here. I love this little baby pitch pine there with the blaze. I've always loved it. And that's Field and Stream.
Look at his little cheeks.
All right, this chipmunk's been stalking us. He's got something. He's been named Reggie.
This might be the 14th chipmunk I've named Reggie, but
I
don't know. They're all Reggie.
All right, we got Lion's Head. Sweet. I love that when you can see
Is
the
that
whole thing.
bump on the far left,
Yeah,
Lion's
the
Head?
bump
Oh.
right in front of us.
The head of the lion.
All right, cleared the firing, covered it. I'm gonna go down and check out this vista. I've never seen this. Wow, this is spectacular. I didn't know this was here. Look at that. That's Rand View up there. That field and that mountain. That view where you got a view of all these mountains. And there's the Twin Lakes down there in Salisbury. Wow. See? So I came down here to clean up this campsite and got treated to a new view. All right, well, the privy had a bunch of spider webs right up on the top when you open the seat. Gotta get a stick and get those. You don't want to bite on the butt. All right, heading back to the main trail. Got a little bluebird right there. He's staying pretty close, considering he's on this, I think it's an ash tree. All right, whatever. Oh yeah, he's up there. Hey, buddy. These new Patagonia socks are so comfortable. I barely noticed I had socks on. Definitely recommend. I'll put the link below.